Hello everybody, good day. My name is Victor Alexander Pulgari Montoya. I'm a student English degree. I am a student of Cotecnoma Agreement with Secar. I am from Cartago Valle. Today I'm going to speak you and show you 15 sentences with norms IPA. Okay, let's start. Number 1. He is singing a song. He is singing a song. Él está cantando una canción. She went to the zoo yesterday. She went to the zoo yesterday. Ella fue al zoológico ayer. You should go to the dentist. You should go to the dentist. Deberías ir al dentista. She's going to visit her parents a couple of weeks. She is going to visit her parents a couple of weeks. Ella va a ir a visitar a sus padres un par de semanas. They heard just one song. They heard just one song. Ellos escucharon solo una canción. I am reading a new book about Africa. I am reading a new book about Africa. Estoy leyendo un nuevo libro sobre África. I love eating chocolate. I love eating chocolate. Amo comer chocolate. They bought a new car. They bought a new car. Ellos compraron un nuevo carro. Shushan is playing the guitar in her room. Susan is playing the guitar in her room. Susan está tocando la guitarra en su sala, en su habitación. Mike did not wash the car yet. Mike did not wash the car yet. Mike no ha lavado el carro aún. Have you ever seen my cat? Have you ever seen my cat? ¿Has tú visto mi gato? They are going to move to the Los Angeles. They are going to move to the Los Angeles. Ellos van a mudarse a Los Ángeles. Mark will meet his new teacher this afternoon. Mark will meet his new teacher this afternoon. Mark conocerá a su nuevo profesor esta tarde. They are going to eat pizza tonight. They are going to eat pizza tonight. Ellos van a ir a comer pizza esta noche. We went to a new restaurant last weekend. We went to a new restaurant last weekend. Ellos fueron al nuevo restaurante la semana pasada. This is all. Thank you for your attention.